Hi guys, we're going to be looking at a couple of questions from paper 2, the calculator paper from the mock. So to start off with, this is question 6. It was quite a basic question and a lot of you answered it correctly, but a lot of you spent a lot of time doing it. Remember, this is a calculator paper, so use your calculator. What you could do here, unfortunately this is just an image of a calculator, it doesn't actually work, but what you can do to work out the value, hopefully 3/4 is one that you would maybe know, it's as a decimal it's 0.75, but if you didn't know that, you can work this out on your calculator. You're going to go 3 divided by 4, or you can use the fraction button up here. And put in the fraction 3/4. What you'll get is your display showing 3/4. You can then use this button, the SD button. This will change it into a decimal for you. Okay, that will always toggle between a fraction or other format and a decimal. So you simply needed to add your numbers into your calculator and write down the decimal that came out by using the fraction button, or for example 5 divided by 7, and then pressing the SD button. That would give you decimals. So after you've done that, you would get these numbers, and then it's just a matter of putting them in order. So I'm going to show you how I would put them in order. I would start by just covering up all of the numbers and writing them in order like that, and they're lined up by their decimal point. Okay, so first thing I look at is the first digit. Now I can see that they're all the same, so nothing to see here. Second digit is also all the same. Third digit, now we can put them in order basically. We can see that this one is the biggest, 6 is the biggest, so 0.76, that was 19 out of 25. That's our biggest fraction. So let's write that down. It says start with the smallest, so I'm going to start at the end and put 19 over 25, that's my biggest. I must put it in fraction form. My next biggest one is 0.75, that's 3/4. The next biggest one is this one, 11 over 15. And that leaves the smallest one, which is 5/7. So that's how to do it, guys. Use your calculator. Alright, I'm going to make a few more videos on this, but yeah, a lot of them will just be on calculator use. So make sure you watch them and you know how to use your calculator properly. If you don't have a calculator at home, I suggest you dig out your one from year 11, which you probably have. If you don't, you know, maybe invest in one so that you can use it during your study time. If that's an issue, if you don't have the cash for it, come and see me, send me an email, and we'll see if we can lend you one for the run up to the exam, because it's really important that you are comfortable using this tool and that you're not wasting unnecessary time during the exam. Alright, bye.